Hello and welcome to the Happy Homemaker. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these deviled eggs. Here's the list of ingredients. Now let's get started. After our eggs are boiled, we're just going to be slicing them in half. And once they're all sliced in half, just set those aside to cool down while we get the other ingredients together. In a small bowl, we're going to be adding in our mayonnaise. I'm using my homemade mayonnaise recipe. I can put the link for that recipe in the description below. Now add in your onions, your red peppers, sugar, vinegar, mustard, salt and pepper, and then just mix that together and set it aside. Now we're just going to be adding our yolks to the mayonnaise mixture. So just remove all of the yolks from the egg whites and then mix that in all together. And once that's all mixed, we're going to be adding 1 heaping teaspoon to each egg white. And now we're just going to be topping that with some paprika and parsley. And then add that to the fridge for a few hours before serving. Hope you enjoy this recipe. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to the Happy Homemaker. Bye!